Mastering the basics of seating arrangements. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English as easy and fun as possible. Today, we're diving into a very common phrase you might encounter in various settings: seating arrangement. Whether you're attending an event, planning a dinner, or participating in a meeting, understanding this concept is crucial. So, let's break it down together. The term, seating arrangement, refers to the organized plan of where people will sit in a specific setting. This could be during events, such as weddings or conferences, in classrooms, or even in restaurants. The purpose of a seating arrangement is to ensure that guests are placed in the most appropriate spot for the occasion. It can be influenced by social rules, the event's objectives, or the host's preferences. There are several types of seating arrangements, each suited to different kinds of events or meetings. Let's explore a few. Theater style. Chairs are arranged in rows facing the front of the room, commonly used for lectures or presentations. Banquet style. Round tables with guests seated around them, ideal for dinners and weddings. Boardroom style. A large table with chairs around it, used for meetings and discussions. U-shape style. Tables arranged in a U-shape with chairs on the outside. Perfect for workshops where interaction between the presenter and attendees is required. Understanding these types will help you know what to expect at various events or how to plan your own. Seating arrangements can significantly impact the atmosphere and flow of an event. They can facilitate communication. Proper seating can encourage interaction among guests or attendees. Reflect hierarchy. In some settings, seating indicates the rank or status of the individuals. Manage space efficiently. Effective arrangements make the best use of available space, ensuring comfort for all participants. If you're tasked with planning an event, here are some tips for creating a seating arrangement that works. Know your guests. Consider the relationships and dynamics between guests to place them appropriately. Understand the event's purpose. Align the seating with the event's goals. Whether it's networking, celebrating, or learning. Be flexible. Sometimes, you might need to adjust the arrangement on the spot. It's important to remain adaptable. Seating arrangements might seem like a small detail, but they play a significant role in the success of any gathering. By understanding the basics, types, and importance of seating plans, you're now better equipped to navigate or organize events more smoothly. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and made your English learning journey a bit more interesting. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.